All right, everyone, welcome back to Jinx Reacts. I am Gina Winks, a nerdy pro audio engineer who fell into the rabbit hole of reaction videos a while back and decided I wanted to do it too, and have been having a blast since. Today, I am going to be reacting to Maya, I believe is how you say her name. I'm not going to try to pronounce her last name, from AGT. 10-year-old guitarist. This was suggested by my friend Gwen. She had seen it, like, reacted to. Anyhow, she wanted me to check it out. And I also want to make note that I'm getting this video directly from Maya's, I hope I'm saying that right, from her YouTube. So I made sure to subscribe. I like the video. I'll have this video in the description, so make sure to, go support her as well. And but yeah, I just want to let you know, I don't think it has the judges' reactions or anything like that, but I wanted to make sure to grab it from her channel. So all right. Yeah, let's just go ahead and get right into this. I just know she's a 10-year-old guitarist. That's all. Let's go. Playing, it'd be nice to say what she's playing. AGT Master of Puppets. I guess this was, I think, quarterfinals or something. So this is not her first round, but I was just highly suggested to check this out. So let's go. Nice. Okay. Oh, okay. Already. We're 12 seconds in. She was looking at the camera, you know. She's got that stage presence, and already just immediately just went in and is already just, yeah, killing it. My god, I'm only 12 seconds in. I understand. So cool. Oh my god. Okay, so that guitar is badass, first of all. And just, this is so fun to watch, so fun to witness. She is having a blast. And you would never guess that she's 10. Like, what? How are you playing the guitar like this? It's amazing. It's amazing. And I love this song. Like, it's not my very top favorite Metallica song, but it's dang close. It's in the top 3 probably. Anyhow, um, oh, this is fantastic, and she's just having a blast and just nonchalant walking around the stage, big smile while she's just killing it, shredding it on the guitar. How cool! And look, it's just like. Oh! Nice. Oh, look at that! Okay, I just got chills for a number of reasons. Like what she's doing with this right now. making it her own. I love this. And like as the camera panned across the stage yet again, she's got her eyes on it. Like she knows what's up. And to be 10, the professional stage presence here is just incredibly impressive. Like, and she just talked to the audience. Are you ready, AGT? Like, she to be so comfortable on the stage like this. Oh, wow. AGT, are you ready? Wow. What is happening? What at the like the epicness. Look at that. Just pure joy of a smile. And it's gorgeous playing here, and then she just goes whew, shredded. Oh my gosh. Just the pure joy, the confidence, the she got her own swagger, like, just and she did what? When I need to learn more. Like, when the heck did you learn to play guitar? Because whew, um oh wow. What a fun like adventure. Just a 2-minute adventure. I am not a guitarist. Like I have a guitar. I noodle around on a guitar. I can't even fathom doing anything like this. That was too fast. Like yeah, I definitely it's one of those I need more. I will definitely be checking out her other stuff. Her, I'm curious what her original audition was. And I'm also really curious what the judge says, but I wanted to make sure to grab the video from her YouTube. So yeah, thank you, Gwen, for suggesting this. How fun! And yeah, I'm gonna go check out some more from her. Make sure, please, to support my subscribe, like this video. The video will be in the description. If you like what you see here, subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, share, and comment. I read every single comment. I can't always reply to them all because y'all are amazing and listen so well and engage and blow up my comment sections, and it just makes my heart happy. I appreciate every single one of you. Check out the links in the description of ways you can support. We have Patreon, where you can be part of the Jinx crew. You can check out what that means. We have the membership here on YouTube, general support. Yeah, there's just all sorts of ways, and I'm always at least live on Tuesdays at noon Eastern, but oftentimes more. So come hang out with us. Again, Thank you for being here, and I will see you on the next one.